Welcome to an Oz RPA demo. In this video, you will see the step-by-step process an RPA bot takes in order to price scrub a specific item and store the captured information in an Excel sheet. For this demo, we will look to find the best price on a Samsung 28-inch monitor which needs to be purchased for an upcoming event. Let's get started. The bot will begin by entering the specific item into the search bar. It will then locate and gather the right price information on our desired item. Once this is done, the bot will input this data behind the curtains into an Excel sheet and continue on to the next search. It will repeat this process until it has navigated and pulled the proper information from all the sites we programmed into the sequence. For this instance, we have 4 sites it will scrub. Let's watch the bot go to work. Once deployed, the bot can successfully remove the need for an employee to price scrub through numerous websites before deciding which is the best value. Not only is this process done in a fraction of the time, but it is highly accurate as well. After completion of the price scrub, the bot will move on to the Excel sheet. As you can see, we have an organized Excel sheet showing us the different prices for this Samsung monitor. The only thing left is to decide which is the best site to purchase from. In this case, we will be going with Micro Center. If needed, the compiled Excel sheet can also be automatically emailed to the purchasing officer for the execution of the right product fit. If you have any questions regarding RPA, please go to followoz.com and navigate to our automation page. Thanks for watching.